Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download MEXC application on your Android phone. To download the MEXC app on your Android is super easy. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet and then tap open Google Play Store. After you open the Google Play Store, find the search box at the top and type in MEXC and search. Look for this application that says MEXC Buy and Sell Bitcoin and then tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android device. MEXC is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade, monitor the market, and manage their crypto assets directly from their mobile devices. Once the installation is completed, tap on the Open button to launch Open MEXC on your Android device. So that's how you easily download MEXC app on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.